In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a weekly calendar in Notion. If you're looking for a simple, focused way to see just the next 7 days and keep your schedule tight, this walkthrough will get you there quickly and clearly. Start by opening Notion. You can do this on the desktop app or in your browser. The process is the same. Once Notion is open, create a new page. This gives you a fresh space dedicated to your schedule and helps keep your calendar separate from notes or databases you might already have. A new page is the best starting point because it ensures your calendar won't be mixed into an existing layout. With your new page ready, choose Calendar. This selects Notion's calendar database view and instantly adds a calendar to your page. A calendar in Notion is more than just dates on a grid. It's a database, which means every item you add can store details like notes, tags, or reminders later on. For now, the important thing is that you've set up the calendar on your page so it's ready to be viewed the way you want. Once the calendar opens, click the three dots in the top right corner. This is the menu for View Options and Layout Controls. It's where you change how the calendar is displayed without affecting any of your content. If you don't see it immediately, look for a small icon with three dots. It's always in the corner of the calendar view itself. From that menu, go to Layout. Layout controls how information is arranged on the screen, and it's where you can fine-tune your viewing experience. This is especially helpful if you prefer a tighter, more focused display that emphasizes the current week. Under Show Calendar As, select Week. This switches your calendar from a monthly overview to a weekly view, showing you a clear, scrollable 7-day grid. The week view is ideal when you need to plan your tasks and events with more precision, see time blocks at a glance, and avoid the clutter that often comes with a full month. It highlights what's immediately ahead and makes it easier to focus on priorities without distraction. And that's it. You've set up a weekly calendar in Notion. You now have a clean, focused view of your week that's perfect for planning workloads, meetings, and personal routines. If you ever want a broader snapshot, you can return to the same menu to switch views, but for day-to-day execution, the week layout keeps everything actionable and in sight.